Hello friends and good food lovers, you are welcome back to Shapla Kitchen. My name is Chef MMN and today's video is on how to cook Ogbono soup. The ingredients we'll be using are stockfish, goat meat. This is dry catfish. I've already washed. We have here palm oil, pepper, crayfish, washed and blended. This is ogbono. I've already washed and blended it. Please always wash your ogbono before you blend. It's very important. Uza leaf, seasoning cube, and salt. We'll go ahead and season our meat and stockfish, boil it till it's soft and tender, and continue. If you want to elevate the taste of your ogbono soup, you can as well add turkey. You can add any protein of your choice, or more, anything that you like. So we'll go ahead and season our goat meat and stockfish. I go in with my seasoning cube or bullion cube, a little salt. I'm adding in my pepper. I'm going with some water. I will cook this till it's soft and tender, then we'll continue. So guys, the fastest way to dissolve your ogbono is to heat up your oil a little. Sometimes cold oil does not dissolve it. You can see that it's almost dissolved. Just for it to dissolve so that you won't have any lumps in your soup. Guys, our ogbono is nicely dissolved. This takes just a minute or just few seconds. Ogbono soup is actually a very easy, straightforward soup to make. You can decide to remove all the protein and start with boiling your broth, add your ogbono and other ingredients before you bring in the protein again. But because my ogbono is well dissolved, there is no need for that. I will just go ahead and cook my soup. So we'll go ahead and add crayfish. Add in your dry catfish. I added extra water to my meat broth. Allow this to boil for like 2 minutes so that the crayfish and the fish will release its flavor and taste into the soup before adding the ogbono. Go ahead and add your ogbono. Guys, our soup is almost ready. You can see that there is no lump in the soup. The ogbono is well dissolved. So guys, there is no lump in the soup. The ogbono is well dissolved. I like my ogbono to be thick. If you like yours to be a little watery, you can add water to your own consistency. Allow this to boil for a while before adding other ingredients. I added extra palm oil to elevate the look of my soup. At this point, you can taste your soup to know if you need to adjust the taste with crayfish or bullion cube. So guys, go ahead and add your blended pepper. you've watched this video till this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I want to specially thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. So our ogbono soup is ready. You can have this with pounded yam, fufu, any swallow of your choice. Thank you guys for watching today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.